In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you use a magic eraser tool on iPhone. To use magic eraser tool on iPhone, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So for that, what you have to do is, first thing first, you want to simply make sure to watch this video right till the end. To use magic eraser, first you must install Google Photos app on your iPhone. Make sure to sign in with the same Google account with which you subscribe to Google One. Then you want to open the Google Photos app on your iPhone, select a particular photo that you want to remove unwanted object or subject from it. After you've actually done it, so you want to click on the three dot or click on the edit button. Moving on, you'll, depending on the photo, select the Google photo will suggest the effect or tools to use it. Now scroll to the toolbar, scroll to Tools tab at the bottom and select Magic Eraser. And Google Photos will analyze the photo. If an unwanted object is detected for removal, a suggestion chip will show. If not, you could circle or draw the items you want to remove and tap on the done button and select a save copy, and that way you'll be able to make sure. So that is how you could go ahead and make sure to use Magic Eraser on an iPhone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.